Hey everyone, Luxinda Swirl here. It is day number, I've lost track, I have to look at the numbers, 14, yay! Okay, oh my gosh, 2 weeks, we've been doing this 2 weeks. I'm gonna run out of space. I may have to stop doing more than one sticker per day. Oh, this is gonna be so hard. All right, here we are. I'll get you a good shot here. This is mofuseasons.com. Mofu Seasons? I don't know. More food. This is not sweet food. This looks more like savory food with little happy faces in it. I have to tell you, I get these stickers sometimes in the regular monthly subscription packages and I think, this is so weird, but it's so funny and adorable looking. I mean, the little, whatever these are, I guess they're like stars. They're little stars with little faces on them and they're adorable. They're just adorable. Okay, well, I think it's a given that we need to use the December sticker in this case. I'm just gonna make that decision. We're gonna start being a little more inserting. We'll go up here above Santa Claus. I may end up overlapping a little. That may just have to happen. All those of you who love white space, you may just want to pitch that out the window for this particular project. Okay, so we have a little, I guess that's a fried shrimp, and a tiny little calamari possibly. We'll go with a little cute, adorable batter fried shrimp. We'll put him down here. So cute. I would love to eat him. There we go, another day down. Ta-da!